meteorologist Mike Bettis.
This program brought to you by Volvo.
What's up, y'all? So, I am down here watching the Weather Channel. I'm sure, as most people know, there is a Hurricane Florence headed for South Carolina, the North Carolina area. And so, apparently there's several places under hurricane warnings right now. And so, yeah. I have never lived in an area that could get hurricanes, so I'm not sure what to expect with hurricanes. But, this Category 4 hurricane has now been downgraded to a Category 2. It was downgraded to a Category 3 earlier today, and it has now been downgraded to a Category 2 just a little while ago this evening, so gotta keep praying for that. But yeah, we've just been watching it, keeping an eye on it, seeing how bad it is, and thankfully it's weakening instead of strengthening, which is good. So yeah, we've been just keeping an eye on it. So the Weather Channel is having live coverage on it. Live coverage. And as you can see, the Weather Channel is doing live coverage on it all night long, because it's expected to hit tomorrow. So just gotta keep praying for them. So yeah, I don't know if Weather Nation is tracking it.
Skip the fuss, nix the wrinkles. Only at Duluth stores at DuluthTrading.com.
Colon cancer screening for people 50 and older at average risk.
Yeah,
It's time for a new screen. For a different kind
but
of screen.
several people have been tracking this storm, and yeah.
Cologuard, colon cancer screening that's as easy as get, go, gone. Cologuard is not right for everyone, so ask your doctor if it's right for you.
Forecast tells us that Florence's storm surge will drown many homes.
There'll be trees down, there'll be power lines down.
So yeah. We will be we have a festival going on in our town, and so we're going to that tomorrow. I'm very excited. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. There's that.
And welcome back to our continuing coverage of Hurricane Florence, a storm that has weakened some, but is still very dangerous, very powerful, and very large. It's also going to be moving quite slowly over the next several days, and that is going to maximize the potential for heavy rain and inland flooding. We do expect to see significant surge as well. There's a look at the latest advisory from the Hurricane Center. We just got a new one at the top of the hour, 110 mile per hour wind. Category 2 storm moving northwest at 17 miles per hour. It's expected to continue to move right along until it gets closer to the coast, and then it's going to dramatically slow down after that point. And depending on whether it moves inland more quickly or not, could weaken a little more quickly or not. But we do know that all those impacts that we talked about, the wind and the surge and the rain, all of that is going to be felt over the space of a couple of days because the storm is going to be moving so slowly, and that could have huge implications, in particular for the amount of rain that we see there across the region. We're talking about as much as 25, 30 inches on the high end, maybe even more than that by the time it's all said and done. We want to get out to Chris Warren right now in Morehead City. And Chris, there's temptation, certainly, when you see the storm getting a little bit weaker. It went from a Category 4 to a Category 2. Forecast intensities are down a little bit as well. There's temptation to sort of focus on those numbers, to make it all about the category, make it all about the wind speed, and if it doesn't reach a certain threshold, then you don't have to be as concerned about it. But you've got a system that's been going for a long, long time here, been generating large waves for a long time, and storm surge, and one that's going to slow down so much, and it produces an incredible amount of rain. And so we don't want people to think, oh, this is no big deal now because it's anything but.
Yeah, definitely still a dangerous storm that we can be praying about for those people. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna end it there, and I'll make another video in a few minutes if I can think of anything interesting to do.